Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you how to convert a price quote to CSV using PDF.co and Zapier. You can see the link of the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. Here's a sample PDF document that we're going to use and convert it into CSV file. So let's begin. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. Next, search and select the Google Drive app. Then, choose the new file and folder as a trigger. Let's set up the trigger. In the Drive field, select My Google Drive. Then, choose the specific folder where your file was stored. Now, click the Test Trigger button. Once the test trigger was successful, you can now add another app. Search and select the PDF.co app. Next, choose the PDF to anything converter. This API will convert PDF to any document. Let's set up the action. Select the CSV comma-separated values for output format. Next, choose the web content link from your Google Drive. Then, type in your desired CSV file name. Once you're done setting up, click the Test and Review button. The test was successful. Kindly copy the URL and paste it into your browser to download the CSV file. Here's the converted CSV document. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. Or visit on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.